Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expression Start Studio Gallery, and I have some Additives white metallic that I'm going to put in the bottom of this pan. Get that paint chip out of there, and that pan, because I sort of think I might for the first time, and you might catch me out on that. Use two different pans for two different sets of colors. This is my cobalt blue, which is turquoise from Artist Loft, that I'm going to be putting some greens in, I think, or some variation on this. This is an Arteza iridescent green, which looks a lot like the green gold that I usually use. That is color shifting from Folk Art. I've had a little accident with my canvas, and I shook this up, and then I didn't have a cap on it, and the little spatters went everywhere. So when the canvas comes down, it's back there. It's a 24 by 30. And I am just going to be squeezing colors until I'm happy with what I see. That was a Hobby Lobby Master's Touch. That's an Arteza magenta-ish metallic. This is a Decor Art Americana 24 karat gold. I think some of that's going to go in there. This is... It has an A on it, so it's probably an Arteza, and I'm not sure what it is actually. But it's pretty. So, forgive me. This is a Folk Art Neon Pink. I'm really tempted to put some Artist Loft down. Some white. I keep watching my videos and noticing that I forget to tell you that when I put that white down that's Anita's, it's Anita's white metallic. So this might be a little different because of putting that white down. The Anita's white metallic acts as sort of water because it's pretty clear. I'm planning on using every color that I can, that floats my boat. This is a yellow that had some orange added to it until it was sort of a mango color. This is a yellow I barely ever use, and that'll show you what real yellow looks like. And I think that one got tainted somehow, and I'm not sure how. This is a yellow from Arteza. It's called Golden Hour, and it is golden, as in it's iridescent. And in this case, it's not coming out very well. So I'm just going to keep right on. That is the end of a bottle of Purple Flash from Folk Art that's color shifting. And I'm at the end of like 15 bottles, so I'm going to be mixing paint for an entire day, it seems like. This is some Venetian blue. It doesn't usually stay, but I'd love to try. What else do I have? I have some color shifting turquoise, and I think some of that can go in there, which is sinking away, which is kind of strange. I think there's going to be some purple in there. I've got some purple. I've got some dioxazine purple too. This is, I believe this is, oh yeah, that's gorgeous. This is an Artist Loft Amethyst. I want some more blue, but I'm kind of inclined to just start because it's time to get on with it. I want some more green, so I think that the emerald green from Folk Art that's color shifting is going to go in there. And then if I find, I have a little bit of Mysterious left, which is looking more blue than anything. Actually, it looks very turquoise in there. And it's very pretty. What did I not put in there? I think I'm just going to have some more of this. I'm inclined to add some very yellow green. Yeah, I'm going to do it. I've got some neon green, and I think it's a golden product. I think it's something somebody gave me, and it's going to zhuzh up everything. And a little bit more of this, and hope that that's going to be okay. And it's time to get started by moving my paint bottles back out of the way. You know what? I didn't put any pink diamond. And I want some. It's the new Color Art Prism Pour. And it stays bright, which I love. And I'm very inclined to put some of that in here, along with a little bit of what I have left of my hot orchid, just to have them side by side and see how they are. Well, it's just darker than the other by some, which really helps. I love the Big Diamond almost as much, if not more so, at this point than the other one. I have a blue that's very similar to a navy blue. I may put some more gold in there at some point in time. And I'm loving this lighter orange color. Now I gotta get on with this. Did I use any turquoise after all that? I didn't use very much of the cobalt blue, which is metallic. Okay, I've got multiple shovels standing by. I've got somewhat schmutzy canvas having hung out too long in my studio. I'm hoping you can see most things. I'm going to grab what I can grab and scrape off the bottom. And just go to town until my shovel is empty, sort of thing. And this time I'm going to try and move my canvas around. That looks kind of like a flower. And I can just dip my shovel into that pan of colors and add whatever I want. And I don't think I have ever moved my whole canvas. I'm going to throw a little bit more Anita's White Metallic on top of some of those colors. I'm not really getting as much because I have a much wider pan. Kind of want to tip that way. But maybe blowing it will be okay too. I'm not sure how this is going to work at all. Oh, that looks like a dragon up there. Nice long dragon. If I had something short, I could put some scales on him. See if I can add a little. Add a little nostril. Kind of wanted to use my dustpan. Grab a little more color for the other side. Majorly bizarre plant life. Just gonna keep turning it. Whoops, gotta get a couple bottles out of my way. Throw some more gold in there. I haven't used the green yet. Let's just use the green and see what happens. But where? Just gonna drag a few sprigs out. Oh, I got spillage. Minor. And keep turning my canvas, I think. Although I think I'm, at this point, I'm inclined to think, because I don't know where the composition is going, that I might just wind up filling things up. Sometimes I just want to dribble. Sometimes it works. Hopefully that's all in sight for you. I'm trying really hard not to make any mud. There's almost always a drip. Oh well. I like making those little pointed shapes. And I got some beautiful cells. Cool. Just drag that paint right along the bottom. Grab some more green. It's different. I want to put some more white in there. Maybe a little more blue. Kind of want to throw the black I was talking about into it earlier. Just to see. I haven't put any dots in there, but I've got some. I'm thinking about it. I think I actually gave myself too much paint. No idea how much time I have left, but I'm going to have to check soon. I don't think that's really a dragon. Gonna keep picking colors. I want some blue. I want a couple of blues, maybe a couple, 3 blues. That's the Venetian blue. That's the Prussian blue. There's a blue I haven't used. I did shake it though, some pale blue. Alright, that's way more pink than I can use. I don't know if you can see me all the way down at the bottom or not. Alright, that's me with 2 minutes to say that I do sell my artwork. And I've just set the timer for 1 minute, but there'll be 2 minutes after that. I'm going to find any little water spots that I got from my canvas hanging around the studio. Oh, we got bugs. Cool! Never thought of that. So, I'm not sure if this is 100% done or not. It's pretty full. It's more like a amusement ride than a painting. So I'm just going to keep playing with dots and dashes, evidently. I'm sorry, I stopped talking because I'm focused. I think that needs to be a thing instead of a dot. Seems like in the end, no matter what, if there's some interesting looking stuff in there, I gotta get a shorter scoop to make shorter marks. I think that's coming. Not in this painting though. Maybe in the next one. Kind of want some more green stuff over there. I'm inclined to put some more green stuff over here. I don't know why. Foliage-like stuff hanging down from the top. I can make a shorter mark there. Not a problem. Just got to hang it right off the edge.